Hello viewers, welcome back to Lola's recipe. Today's Sunday, so I decided to share with you how I make my shawarma. Today's Sunday, you don't need to go out there to go and buy shawarma. You can just make them at the comfort of your home. Just watch me as I prepare shawarma in my kitchen for my family. Here I have my boneless and skinless chicken. I will go ahead by adding some salt, some chicken seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, curry, thyme, black pepper, and some chili flake. And this is a garlic ginger paste, homemade. I'll go ahead by adding a little bit, like half a tablespoon. I will mix everything to combine. I'm going to mix this thoroughly until they are well incorporated. So guys, tell me, do you like shawarma or wrap? Which one do you prefer, wrap or shawarma? So I've divided my chicken into two. I will be using half for shawarma and half for chicken curry sauce. Okay, right now I'm going to add natural yogurt to the half of the chicken that I've divided. So guys, because I'm making two recipes, so I have to divide the chicken. This one is going for my shawarma and I need to add the yogurt to it. The natural yogurt is very good for marinating your chicken, or you want to stir fry. Okay, now it is time for me to fry the chicken. So I will just spray some oil on my fry pan. I'm using sunflower oil spray. Then I will pour the chicken. I will be stir frying this for about 10 minutes. This doesn't take long to cook or to stir fry. So while waiting for the chicken to get ready, I'll go ahead and prepare my veggies. This is my carrot, cabbage, and onion. So I will cut the cabbage into two, then I will slice it. Make sure you always remove the cord of from the cabbage because it tastes bitter. I don't know about it. It always tastes bitter each time I try to taste it or eat it. Here I finished slicing the cabbage. This is how it looks. I will pour this into a bowl. Next, I will go ahead and grate the carrots. Always be careful when you are using this. Now I'm going to mix both the carrots and cabbage and onion together. It is time for me to prepare the cream. Now I will go ahead by scooping some mayonnaise, lemon juice, tomato ketchup, black pepper, pinch of salt to taste, paprika powder, and yogurt. I will mix everything together. I will pour the sauce into the vegetables, the carrots, onion, and cabbage. Here I will grab my tortilla wrap. Now I've finished stir frying the chicken. I will add the cabbage, mix the chicken, and I will keep adding more vegetables. For this you can add cucumber. and lettuce if you want to. And I will add my sausage. I'm using chicken sausage. Then I will wrap this together or fold and wrap. This is so easy to make. You can see that it is very easy to make shawarma at home. You don't need to go and be spending money out there because these days things are expensive. It is time for me to toast this for a few minutes. Once one side is golden brown, I will flip it to the other side. At this moment, it is ready and I will remove it from the fry pan. It is time for me to cut and enjoy my homemade shawarma. You can see this looks so beautiful, yummy, and more healthy. Making food at home help you to know what you are consuming. Thanks for watching.